Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create question mark using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my CapCut and first of all, I'm going to create a project and I'm going to go to the CapCut library to get black screen background. Wait, I'm just going to select this black screen and I'm going to add it to my project. And after that, I'm going to add question mark to this project. We can click on the text and then click on add text. And I'm just going to type in question mark. Okay, and I'm going to make it larger like this. Okay, then click on the check mark and I'm going to make it align with my video. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and then I'm going to apply effect to this question mark. We can go to the style and I'm going to select effect and wait for a moment. Okay, and I'm going to go to the luminance category and I'm going to apply this effect. Okay, click on the check mark and then you can also add animation to the question mark. I'm just going to tap on the question mark, select the animation and choose the animation that you like. For example, I'm just going to choose loop animation. Wait. I'm gonna go with this charm animation. Okay. This is the final result. And I guess that's all the way to create question mark using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.